Hi everyone, my name is April and here is my 112 term project. My project is called Photolor, which is a photo editor that contains basic functions of image processing. So here on my home page, there's a help button at the bottom that tells the user how to run the program, and more importantly, it will give the user different and more detailed instructions depending on where the user is in the process. So let's get started. First, we need to upload an image from the files. And here it is. So once you are in the editing mode, you can see that there are 5 major categories of functions displayed at the bottom, and they are reverting, editing, filter, text, and frame. And right now, with this image, obviously it should display it horizontally instead of vertically. So what we can do is that we can rotate it, and it will rotate the image 90 degrees clockwise each time you press the button. And so now it is. And now we can add some filters. The polar filter will make the picture look more globe instead of flat. And here is the effect. And we can do vignette, which will make the image stands out more. So once we are done editing our picture, we press the done button and save it. Let's see, new picture, and here it is in our effect. In our file. All right, now let's work with something else. For example, our campus. All right, so another function is that adding text by double clicking on the image and pressing the keyboard. The user is able to add text. For example, in this case, we could say Carnegie Mellon University. And once we are done typing, we could use the up and down arrow key on the keyboard to change the size of the font. We could also use the left and right arrow key to change the font. Alright. And the 3 buttons on the left are color, bold, and italic. So now let's make the text our school color, which is red and bold. Okay, so here's our image with text. And of course, we can add a frame. And in this case, I would like a square frame. Takes a while, and here it is. Okay, of course we can save it, but now let's work with something else by clicking the home button, which allows the user to pick a different image. And now let's see something with a character. For example, Audrey Hepburn. And because this is a pretty old image, we could make it black and white, or we can revert it to the original and make it vintage, which makes the picture looks even older because it's brown and dark yellowish like. And this time we can do something called custom frame, which allows the user to pick a different image as the frame of the current one. So for example, if you want this flower one, and now it becomes the frame of the old picture. And once we are done, we save it, and that's it. Thanks for watching.